Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the grains are up a little bit. I think in the beans, the market's looking for good weekly export sales data tomorrow. In the wheat, we've been noticing that the commercial has been canceling the delivery receipts here in Chicago. There's talk about loading out a boat to Egypt and maybe a boat to Nigeria. So that's helping the wheat market a little bit bounce off its prices. Corn's just kind of following, probably oversold. From a weather standpoint, good weather in Chicago today. We expect this to continue through most of next week. The long-range maps are trying to bring in some more rain at the end of the time frame, and we'll see if that slows harvest down. But farmers should be in the fields over the next several days. We're still hearing some big yields, nothing below 200 for Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, and so that continues to bump up expectations that we might see a bigger yield than the USDA set in September, and that could add to the carryout. Same thing in the beans, not a lot of yields being reported below 60, some reporting close to 80, where they are harvesting, and so that also suggests that our carryout may increase. Big question now is whether the farmer is going to sell, especially in the corn prices are down, there's carries in the market, and it would suggest that he should try to store as much corn as he can. The question though is does it pay for that storage? 6 months from now, corn and bean prices are lower. Should they just sell it now and replace it with a call? Outside markets, Chinese stocks are up. Talk about a little bit better GDP growth from the IMF is helping China stocks, and it's helping our stocks. Still a little bit of concern about the European economy, but the leaders over there are talking about more stimulus, which is at least stabilizing markets there. So as long as we've got good harvest weather, we should see eventually prices trend lower. We're up a little bit overnight because of expectations of good export sales and some wheat leaving the delivery positions. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite play. She was at the football game last night.